my channel, Miss Lia Guru TK. Okay, it's cooking time! Okay, we are going to make popcorn. Can you spell the word popcorn? Popcorn. Popcorn. Very good. Now, what do we need for making the popcorn? Do you want to see? Yes. First, we will use this popcorn. Margarine. We are going to use this margarine. Okay, the next one is the dried corn. So I bought this dried corn to make the popcorn. Okay, and I have washed this dried corn, okay, with the clean water. So before we make the popcorn using this dried corn, we have to wash it first. Okay. Like I said before, we will use this margarine, right? I have put the margarine on this plate. What is the color of this plate? White. Very good. And what is the color of the margarine? Yes, it's yellow, right? And how about the spoon? It's pink. Okay, it's light pink. And also the corn, the dried corn, I have put on the plate also. What is the color of the plate? Yes, the color is blue. Okay, now let's make this dried corn into the popcorn. Okay. Okay, the popcorn is ready. Okay, so you can try at home with mommy or daddy. Okay, let's eat the popcorn. Thank you for watching. Bye. Bye.